Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Monster Hunter Now Fake GPS not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to restart the app. So first and foremost, you should delete the MH Now app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. So not only does this remove any glitch from the app, but it also resets the GPS settings. So applying this tip won't take you more than a couple of minutes. And the next what you can do is to disable GPS spoofers. So there multiple GPS spoofers running on your device. So just consider disabling all the spoofing apps except one as a next solution to resolve the Monster Hunter Now network error 64. So running more than one GPS spoofer simultaneously can create conflicts, so affecting the fake GPS feature on your game. Then lastly, what you can do is to use a different location spoofing apps. So using a untrustworthy spoofing app is the leading cause of the Monster Hunter fake GPS not working. So if you're already using a location changing program, especially a free one, just try using another tool. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.